Hello everyone, finally Mahindra company is going to be launched its one more new SUV in Indian four-wheeler market, which is upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. And recently this upcoming SUV is spotted during the testing in Indian market and its photos and videos are viral. That's why we can clearly see the hype and demand of this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV in Indian four-wheeler market. So this upcoming Thar 5-door SUV features, specifications and a lots of details are fully revealed. So all of these things we will cover in this video, so make sure to watch till the end of this video. In terms of looking and design, definitely the upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV will get boxy look and muscular profile, and overall the looking of this upcoming SUV is really good and definitely it will be attract the audience by its looking and design. We can also say that the overall the looking of this Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV is similar to the Thar 3-door SUV, but definitely the Mahindra company has also done the few changes and modifications in this upcoming Thar 5-door SUV. Because of it get 5 doors and the large side boot space, and the Mahindra company is also offered different seating configurations in this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. So after that, in the front section of this upcoming SUV, it get round shape headlamp, and the company is also offered LED DRLs, new design front grills, and in the rear section of this upcoming SUV, it get tail light, rear door and spare wheel, and in terms of side section, it get outer rear view mirrors in a body color, and the Mahindra company is also offered 18-inch alloy wheels. So yeah, this is the basic features of this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV, and after that finally talking about the interior and features of this upcoming SUV. The Mahindra company is also offered premium and luxurious interior in this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. And definitely this upcoming Thar 5-door SUV will get a lots of features like large size touchscreen infotainment system, and this system will offered with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and cruise control, steering mounted audio controls. And in terms of safety features, definitely it will get safety airbags, ABS with EBD rear parking sensor, autonomous emergency braking, and a lots of basic and many more features are offered in this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. So finally, after that talking about the engine specifications of this upcoming Thar 5-door SUV, the Mahindra company will offer 2 engine specifications in this upcoming SUV. The first engine specifications is 2.0 liter petrol engine unit, and this petrol engine unit is capable to generate a peak output power of 150 bhp and 300 Nm peak output torque. And the second engine unit is 2.2 liter diesel engine unit, and definitely this engine unit is capable to generate a peak output power of 130 bhp and 300 Nm peak output torque. So definitely it will give best performance. And after that finally talking about the 4x4 system, maybe the Mahindra company will offer a 4x4 system in this upcoming Thar 5-door SUV, but the 4x4 system is offered only in the top variants, and in the base variant the Mahindra company will offer 4x2 means rear wheel drive setup, and this base variant will launch with the affordable price range in Indian four-wheeler market. So yeah, this is the basic features and specifications of this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.